Today, we will continue trading with our best momentum scalping strategy by using our best indicator. We will do a full analysis of every aspect of day trading. We have so much to learn. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's have a little talk about this STX coin, one of the top gainers of the day. We will try to do a little top-down analysis and discuss how to find trade entry areas with our beloved indicator. What a lovely weekend we had. Bitcoin broke all the previous records and almost all coins are rallying now. This coin has an interesting daily chart. Right here we had this very strong break. Until this time we had this very strong seller power, as you can see. Basically and logically, we would like this bearish trend to continue and make new breaks. And this imbalance here is supposed to push the price further down and make a new break for the trend continuation. But what really happens here? This bearish imbalance fails badly. And the contradicting opposite imbalance starts to work. So basically, bulls take the control and make a new break upwards. And with the recent election, we are now fully powered. We have a really good bullish outlook. So, what was our indicator? ICT high time frame candles. This lovely indicator helps me to find good entry points in the momentum coins. If you look at here, we had a very nice 4 imbalance top point to rally. This is a good zone to seek the entry. However, this coin has one major problem. Yes, we have a really good daily power, but we do not have any kind of good daily or weekly bias. This is why we need to be extra careful on this coin, because this is not A++ setup. In this 3-minute chart, you can see this area. Where are 4 imbalance tops here? We will try to dissect this area furthermore and talk about the entries. First of all, you can notice the liquidity gathering above. Plus, we have a really nice trend breakout. Very ancient trading technique. Probably one of the first strategies you learned when you started trading. Along the way, you can notice some tiny breaks. Not great breaks, most of them are really weak. And imbalances left behind. This is a nice area build up position. But as I said before, we do not have a clear bias on this coin. And any setup should be quickly in and out, nothing more than 1.5 hour or 2 hour setups. Now, if you think the traditional RR risk reward troubling you, you have to switch back to the classic yo-yo cost averaging trading here. It can be very troubling to manage yo-yo trades, but they have much higher win rates compared to RR based trades. Okay friends, new week started. Please take care and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.